just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and our love's the only war worth fighting for.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Right next to you.
Next to you.
Right next to you.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through,
I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. I'd wanna be next to you.
This dance is called Die with a Smile, choreographed by Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, advanced level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, cross, sweep your left, weave, cross, side behind, side rock, recover, quarter turn left, sweep your right, facing 9, twinkle, cross, side, recover, cross, sweep your right, weave, cross, side behind, side, trigger right, touch. Section 2, quarter turn right, step right foot forward, sweep your left into 1/8 turn right, step left foot forward, point to the side, into 1/8 turn left, facing 12 o'clock, step right foot forward, sweep your left into 1/8 turn right, Step left foot forward, sweep your right into 1/8 turn left facing 12 o'clock. weave, cross, side, behind, side, touch. Rolling vine to your right, quarter turn right, forward, half turn right, back, quarter turn right, side, sweep your left into 1/8 turn right, facing 130. Section 3, fall away diamond, cross, side, back, facing 130, back, 1/8 left, side, 1/8 left, forward, facing 1030, cross, side, back, facing 1030, back, 1/8 left, side, 1/8 left, forward, facing 730, walk forward, left, right with a quarter turn to your right, drag your left behind. Now you're facing 1030, left and right balance steps. Side, rock behind, recover, side, rock behind, recover. Last section, step left foot to the side, point right toe to the right, right foot both step, together, weave, cross, side, behind, sweep your right, behind, 1/8 left, side, forward, facing 9 o'clock, fall away diamond, cross, side, 1/8 left, back, facing 730, back, 1/8 turn left, side, 1/8 left, forward, facing 430, forward, point to the side. 3/8 turn to your right, step right foot forward, quarter turn right, step left foot together, facing 12. To start a new wall, make another half turn to your right, step right foot forward, sweep your left. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1. In the dance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 3, you will dance 4 counts with step change, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 with counts, starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3. Now change the step to recover back to your left, 4. Now you're facing 12, restart the dance, 1. On wall 5, you will dance 20 counts with step change, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 5 with count, starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Now change the step to behind side. Square up to 6 o'clock. 4 Now you're facing 6, restart the dance. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.